Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact support in Noon. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Noon app, make sure you're signed in, and then here on the bottom navigation bar, you'll see account. I want you to tap on that, and then I want you to click on need help, and then you can choose what you need help with. Let's say you needed help with an order or return, refund, right? So I'll come here, I'll click on orders, for example. You'll see all the orders we had made and that had been completed or canceled. So you can go ahead and click on any of these. And then if you need extra help with this specific order, what you need to do is select an applicable option. For example, here, refund tracking. So I'll tap on that. And if you still need more help, you just come here and you tap on need more help at the bottom. And as you can see here, you can call them on this number. You can chat with them from these timings, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., or you can email them. This one is 24/7. It is care@noon.com. So you can call them, you can click here on chat with us, and then here, as you can see, we'll be chatting with them regarding this specific refund tracking. As you can see, that message has been sent, and now we are being supported. But that is how to contact support in Noon.